For example 2, we're going to use the same theorem. The only thing is, instead of just solving for x, we're going to have to do a little bit of algebra here. So we have that both of these arcs are congruent. So I know this chord, 2x plus 4, is going to be equal to this chord, which is 18. So going to use my Algebra 1 skills, I'm going to set 2x plus 4 equal to 18 and solve. Subtract 4, I get 2x equals 14. Divide both sides by 2, and x equals 7. If I plug it into check, 2 times 7 is 14. 14 plus 4 equals 18. Let's try another one. Both these arcs are 115. So I'm going to set 5x minus 5 equal to 2x plus 1. I'm going to subtract 2x over here. I have 3x minus 5 is equal to 1. Add 5. 3x equals 6. Divide both sides, so x is 2. And again, I can plug it back in. 5 times 2 is 10. Minus 5 is 5. 2 times 2 is 4. Plus 1 is 5. Let's try a couple more. Both my chords now are 6, so I'm going to set my arcs 3x plus 2 and 2x plus 4 equal to each other. Subtract 2x, I get x plus 2 equals 4. Subtract 2, x equals 2. Plug it back in to check. 8 and 8. Again, 2 sets of arcs are congruent, so I'm going to set my chord 5x minus 9 equal to 2x plus 3. Subtract 2x. I have 3x minus 9 equals 3. Add 9. 3x equals 12. Divide both sides. X is 4. Two more on the next page. Both of these arcs are congruent, so I'm going to set 6x equal to 2x plus 24. These two are two different circles, but it says up here that they are similar. They are congruent, actually. So since they're congruent, if those two are congruent, we can still do that with two separate ones. So I'm going to set 6x equal to 2x plus 24. Subtract 2x. Divide by 4. And x is 6. Last one. So here, this is 162 degrees, and this is 198 degrees. But if you look at it as 360, if this is 198, this has to be 162. If this is 162, this has to be 198. So these two chords are still going to be congruent. So we have 9x minus 78 is equal to 3x I'm going to bring this 3x over here and this 78 to the other side. So I have 6x equals positive 78. Divide by 6 and x is 13.